Hello, bonjour les amis, this is Llyane Stanfield and you can find me at Learn Parisian French on Skype.com. Tonight I would like to talk to you about how you will talk with your guests as you welcome them in your home. Yesterday we talked about your home, and today we are talking about having guests in your home. So if you don't know me, if you just came across this video, or if you haven't been too active in this group, my name is Llyane Stanfield and I work with you, the successful professional or business person who is wrestling to learning French on your own, and I help you to instead speak Parisian French confidently in your business and travels, and to finally enjoy the art of being bilingual. It has been an interruption there, I'm sorry. So today I'm going to talk about this, and don't forget that on Sunday we have Français Sunday. It's the free French webinar, and I have a specific, fantastic, awesome, great, amazing gift that is available only during the webinar. So if you can make it, that would be great. So I'm going to give you these sentences that you can just grab and go, and later, just after I'm finishing the video, I'm going to put the transcript of the French in the description. Yeah, in the description. So, montez l'escalier, climb the stairs, montez l'escalier. Sonnez à la porte. Ring at the door. Sonnez à la porte. Maman ouvre la porte. Mom opens the door. Maman ouvre la porte. La porte est ouverte. The door is open. La porte est ouverte. Vous entrez. You enter. Vous entrez. Or, entrez s'il vous plaît. Enter please. I'm going to say it again. So, montez l'escalier. Sonnez à la porte. Maman ouvre la porte. La porte est ouverte. Vous entrez. So this is it. That's all I had to say to tell you today. And please don't forget to practice. Find other people in the group who are willing or looking for someone to practice with. Do not forget that if you are not at a certain level of conversation, practice with a stranger who doesn't know how to guide you will reinforce the bad habits. So you need to have a certain level in order for you to be able to practice and to be beneficial, this practice to be beneficial together. It's good to start, it's good to go. Make sure that you have a coach, you have someone who actually helps you make conversation without any errors, which is what you're looking for. So this is what I had. Don't forget about the webinar. I'm going to put the link in the description of the video and the transcript, and I'm going to let you go. Merci beaucoup. À demain. Au revoir.